Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be studying about important names of revolutionaries. So the first question is, first Indian to qualify for ICS exam. So the full form of ICS is Indian Civil Services. So at that time, ICS was known as Indian Civil Services. First Indian to qualify for ICS exam would be Surendranath Banerjee. Surendranath Banerjee. Elected president of INC thrice. So INC would be Indian National Congress, and Dadabhai Nairoji was elected the president of INC thrice. Father of nationalist movement was Surendranath Banerjee. Surendranath Banerjee. Father of assertive nationalism is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Political mentor and guru of Gandhi is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. So Gopal Krishna Gokhale was the political mentor or the guru of Gandhiji. Father of revolutionary thought in India. Father of revolutionary thought in India is Bipin Chandra Pal. Bipin Chandra Pal. Sorry. Nationalist who renounced knighthood is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. So I'll scroll down the screen. Gave out the medal of Kesar-e-Hind. So Kesar-e-Hind was basically a civilian award which was awarded by the Empress of India. And Kesar-e-Hind would be Mahatma Gandhi. First Governor General of Free India is Lord Mountbatten. First Governor General of Indian origin. Indian origin in the sense that the Governor General is of Indian origin, that is born in India and resides in India. So that would be C. Rajagopalachari. Gopal Lachari. First Governor General of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. First President of Indian Republic is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. I'll change the color. Viceroy who agreed setting up Muslim League is Lord Minto. So I'll scroll down. Okay. I'll clear the drawings. Permanent President of Muslim League is Aga Khan. The general who gave orders to shoot at Jallianwala Bagh, General Dyer. Leader who lost his life during Simon Commission protest is Lala Lajpat Rai. So Lala Lajpat Rai was severely wounded by the Lathi charge. Okay. Starters of Khilafat movement are Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. And Shaukat Ali. The founder of INA or INA is Indian National Army. The founder of INA was Mohan Singh. So scrolling down. The Supreme Commander in Chief of INA is Subhash Chandra Bose. So one thing I would like to advise you is that many people confuse the founder of INA, and they would say, like, the founder of Indian National Army would be Subhash Chandra Bose. The founder of Forward Bloc was Subhash Chandra Bose, but the founder of Indian National Army was Mohan Singh. The Supreme Commander in Chief of INA was Subhash Chandra Bose. So the founder of INA is not Subhash Chandra Bose. PM of Britain in 1947 is Clement Attlee. The founder of Indian National Congress, A.O. Hume. The full form of his name is Alan Octavian Hume. President of the first session of INC is W.C. Banerjee. W.C. Banerjee. And the full form of his name is Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. Any two early nationalist leaders, Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Raj Bihari Ghosh. Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Raj Bihari Ghosh. Any two assertive nationalist leaders, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Lala Lajpat Rai. I'll just clear this. Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Lala Lajpat Rai. It would be helpful if you noted these name of freedom fighters along with me. Viceroy responsible for doctrine of lapse is Lord Dalhousie. So scrolling down. Viceroy responsible for partition of Bengal, Lord Curzon. The first Viceroy of India, Lord Canning. And the last Viceroy of India is Lord Mountbatten. And as I've said before, there was a question before that's stated that the Viceroy of Free India. So the Viceroy of Free India and the last Viceroy of India was the same, Lord Mountbatten. Okay. So moving on to the next question. Institutions, or basically organizations formed by freedom fighters. Raja Ram Mohan Roy formed the Brahmo Samaj. Jyotiba Phule formed the Satya Shodhak Samaj. Satya Shodhak Samaj. Gopal Krishna Gokhale formed the Servants of India Society. Servants of India. Bal Gangadhar Tilak founded the Deccan Education Society. So moving on to the next question. Surendranath Banerjee formed the Dash Association, the Indian Association. Dadabhai, there's a missing. Dadabhai Naoroji formed the Dash Association, East India Association. And Dadabhai Naoroji formed this association in England, from London. Subhash Chandra Bose formed the Dash Party. So it's not by. Subhash Chandra Bose formed the Dash Party. So he formed the Forward Bloc Party. This party still exists to this day. So moving on to the next question. Who is called father of Indian Renaissance? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. The grand old man of India, Dadabhai Naoroji. It would be helpful if you learned the spelling of his surname, Dadabhai Naoroji, because many of my friends and me myself have mistaken the spelling in Nairoji. Name a book by Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Gift to Monotheists. Gift to Monotheists. Jyotibai Phule wrote Gulamgiri. So moving on, the next question. Dadabhai Naoroji wrote Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. Surendranath Banerjee Surendranath Banerjee wrote the book Nation in Making. Nation in Making. Lala Lajpat Rai wrote the book Young India. So a fact that I would like to state over here, if you see carefully, all these people are educated people. So they are educated people, so you could safely conclude that all of them have written books. Name a newspaper started by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So he wrote the Saumadi. The Saumadi. It's Sambad Comedy. Dadabhai Naoroji wrote the newspaper Rast Gaftar. Surendranath Banerjee wrote the newspaper Bengali. Lala Lajpat Rai wrote the newspaper Mataram. So the newspaper written by Lala Lajpat Rai is Mataram. Bal Gangadhar Tilak wrote the newspaper Kesari, which was Marathi. It was in Marathi. The language used by the newspaper was Marathi. And finally, Bipin Chandra Pal wrote the newspaper The Tribune. Okay, so moving on. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned some important names. Stay home, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.